Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
You have a tape measure and a clear view of the screen. Start now. Place the tape at the inside edge of the lower left visible screen and extend to the inside edge of the upper right visible screen. You measure the diagonal because TV size is defined by the active display diagonal, not the bezel or frame. Once done, read the length in inches. If your tape shows centimeters, don't stop. Note that conversion is needed. We'll handle that next. If you can't reach opposite corners, measure width and height across the active screen instead. You use the Pythagorean formula because a TV screen is a rectangle. Diagonal equals the square root of width squared plus height squared. For most modern sets, knowing the aspect ratio is 16:9 helps verify your numbers because that ratio constrains width and height for a given diagonal. Once you calculate the diagonal in inches, you're nearly finished. Rounding rules come next to pick the marketed size. Convert metric measurements by dividing the centimeter value by 2, 54 to get inches, and then round to the nearest 1/2 inch because manufacturers list sizes in whole or half inches. Once done, cross-check the TV's model number sticker or manual for the factory-listed size for confirmation. If your reading looks off, make sure you measured the active display and not the bezel. If reflections or a frame confuse you, angle a flashlight to see the true glass edge and remeasure. The flashlight trick usually fixes.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.